Um, 5 to 1 right now.
Okay, thank you.
5 minutes to one.
Eat the roast, baby. Thank you. Holy junkers, what's up, y'all? Is your father proud of you? He's very proud of me in heaven. Don't be disrespectful. It won't get you anywhere. Like you couldn't see the tattoo on my leg, but I love souls. Let's do better. I'm doing good, are you?
Picture of your pretty drink, Joe. Huh?
Oh, Clyde with a corgi. Thanks, baby. Let's go. Thank you for your hierarchy, Johnny.
You want to see it too? We're going to do 2 to 6. And then eat for that.
Thank you for Rose.
That other one is very fast.